So today my daughter was having her very first haircut. It is a custom in our language in Africa. It is a tradition that a newborn baby is supposed to have her very first hair shaved within a few weeks after birth. So, because of my daughter being born tiny and small, we literally had to delay this. And she's literally 4 months now, and I had to do this right now. This method has to be performed very carefully and delicately because you could hurt the baby's skin seriously. So it is mostly performed by an adult or a grandmother in the family who knows how to do this technique, who has had a lot of practices throughout the years. So obviously my daughter was done by her grandmother because she has had practices with my brothers. So obviously, as you saw, we were using scissors. So make sure you're very careful. And I was very glad that my daughter is going to be having her very first haircut and symbolizes a new beginning. It symbolizes a sharing of that moment in the womb for her, and she's gonna have new hair. My mother has been begging me for a few weeks now to get rid of the baby's hair, and because she has grown now and her she was no longer as tiny as she used to be, the skin was now thicker, it had fat. So yeah, guys, watch the whole video and thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment, don't forget to like. And what methods and practices do you guys have for your new baby, for new babies in your home countries with regard to hair? Because her hair also has to be kept. You don't throw this hair away after it's cut. After you cut it, it will be thrown after some time, but there are rituals that have to be performed. Thank you so much. Bye. Enjoy.